Taking a look at the latest COVID numbers across the state, more than 108,000 new cases were reported yesterday. The test positivity rate is now up to 23%. That means nearly 1 in 4 tests are coming back positive. This doesn't include at-home test results. And more than 12,000 people are hospitalized with COVID statewide. That's 600 more patients than the day before. It's important to note, though, Los Angeles County and the Bay Area say many patients are in the hospital for other reasons, but were diagnosed with COVID during routine testing.
Sacramento County seeing a record number of COVID infections, and the health officials say today they expect the numbers will go even higher. Sacramento County's case rate now is 189.5 per 100,000 people, and that's below the state average right now, but it's still 3 times higher than it was during last year's peak. The test positivity rate in the county is up to 42.6, and you compare that with last year's average, which was under 6. And today, Sacramento County Public Health Officer Dr. Olivia KCRA tells us things will likely get worse before they get better.
Although projections indicate that we likely will reach a peak somewhere in late January or early February, we're still seeing cases trending upwards.
And of greater concern now is the number of people in the hospital. Dr. KCRA says there are 494 people in the hospital with COVID right now, 89 of them in ICU, and she says those numbers are climbing. Sacramento County also seeing a spike in cases at its jails, and that is triggering early release for some inmates.
KCRA 3's Orko Manna explains when it's going to happen. Orko, what do you know?
Well, Andrea and Brian, the Sacramento County Sheriff's Office just wrapped up a press conference here announcing that around 200 inmates will be released early starting this afternoon in an effort to create more social distancing in the jails because of this COVID outbreak. At the Sacramento main jail, there are 76 COVID cases. That is tripled in just the past week. And at the Cosumnes Correctional Center south of Elk Grove, there are 48 cases. Last week, there were 0. Live Copter 3 is over the main jail in downtown Sacramento right now. We're told more than 70 inmates will be released early from there, and more than 120 inmates will be released early from the Cosumnes Correctional Center. Now, this is being done through an emergency order. Inmates who are excluded from early release are those sentenced for domestic violence, DUI, violent crimes, and also sex offenders. The Sheriff's Office says although it's not ideal, early releases are necessary right now.
We understand that the public is rightfully concerned about people who are in the jail serving sentences and then being released early. Again, what we have done in this process is to look at that person and their record in its totality, to find people that are least likely to go out after they've been released because of this and offend again.
Now, the Sacramento County Sheriff's Office says there is extensive quarantining and testing going on inside the jails right now, but because of state inmates being rerouted and a court backlog, it's just really full inside the county jails. So again, the inmates will be starting to be released early starting this afternoon. Some will be released up to 90 days early. Reporting live in Sacramento tonight, Orko Manna, KCRA 3 News.